Recently, I made this wonderful, amazing soup and I want to share it with you. It's very easy, it's very delicious, it's creamy Parmesan soup with potato and roasted garlic. It's amazing and it's so simple and it's so cozy, and I would say it's perfect soup for winter. You will need Parmesan rinds. I got a lot of leftovers, so I put them in the water. So we're making Parmesan stock. I put my rinds in the water, started boiling them, and you need to once in a while you need to stir it so your Parmesan is not going to stick to the bottom of your pot. And then cover your pot and leave it boil for about 30-35 minutes. While this is cooking, we need roasted garlic. So I got my garlic, I cut off, so don't make my mistake. I cut off the part where the roots are. It's wrong. So all my garlic head fell apart. So you need to cut the other side where the stems would grow. So take all your garlic. You can add oil. You don't have to. So I put all my garlic in a foil, covered it, and I put in a preheated oven and baked it for about 40-45 minutes. When the time is up and our Parmesan stock is ready, take your blender and blend it all really well together so there is no Parmesan pieces left. Some might want to strain it. I didn't strain it because I wanted all the flavor from the Parmesan. So when it's ready, put it aside for a while. Now we need onion. I cut it in small pieces and I cooked it a little bit so it caramelized. Added some herbs, some dried herbs, some spices. You can add fresh herbs, whatever you have. After our onion caramelized, I cut potato in pieces, added it to the onion, mixed it a little bit together. And now, meanwhile, our garlic is ready. So I took garlic out of the oven, squeezed it took it off the skin and added to my onion and potato. After everything mixed together, I started adding our Parmesan stock. Let it boil, lower the temperature, lower the heat, and leave it cooking up until potato is ready for about 15 minutes. So when potato is ready, take your blender and blend everything together really well, so your soup becomes really creamy, really aromatic and tasty. So taste it. Maybe you need to add salt, maybe you need to add some more spices or like to your taste. So this is it. This is delicious, easy Parmesan soup, the easiest I think you can find, and I think this is perfect for winter. It's very cozy, it's yummy, it's delicious. So if you like Parmesan cheese, I think you will like this soup. So you can serve this soup with anything you want, with some croutons, with bread, with more cheese on top or on your bread, whatever and however you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like this recipe, and I'll see you in my next video.